Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another trade recap. Today, great day. Markets have been moving a little weirdly. Still, today I took a chance to get some Eval trades in because Apex had 90% discount I think 2 weeks ago. So I'm kind of trying to pass those. I don't want to actually pass every trade, every Eval because 9 activation fees. It's 1k, which is good because we scale, but yeah, it's also it's a law. But we have to move on. So today, probably see this was the P&L of today. So still good. So half past 2, 1.7, then passed another one. And then also I forgot one order with another one, so blew that one, but it's fine. I mean, if I passed 2 or 3 more, I'll be more than happy, and that will be it for me. So let's talk about today. Let's talk about why I didn't do on PAs, and yeah, that's it. So today, PPI report, 8:30. You can also do the trick for passing your challenges. You put before big news, you put a buy order and a sell order a little above, a little below, like 30-40 points above or below, and then you put your TP a little also above, and technically it should work. Of course, it's high risk, high reward, but if you do it properly, it can work. So basically, we took so many highs. We also took, I think, daily highs. If I go see, we almost are in all-time high. Yeah, we took these 2 daily highs here. This was the other one. I didn't think we wanted to go to all-time highs. We could just leave the equal highs here. Then we could retrace a bit during this week. So maybe we can go back here to tap into this daily order block. So also actually put it here. So maybe I think for the week we can tap into this daily order block and then move higher. So yeah, that's my assumption for this week. But still, if we go again to the 1 minute, we have Asia, London lows, almost equal lows. We have all of this trend line liquidity. We have this hourly, this is an hourly, this is our 2 4-hour lows. So we open, of course, we dump because we can always want to get news low, like the opposite of the news. So news was higher, we want to get news low or news high, depends. So New York opens clearly bearish. We just have a 9:30 candle, big displacement candle. Okay, so 9:30 it goes a lot below. We go and take the news low. ES was actually very strong. ES took daily with news low, like now. Yeah, now. You have to equal lows and then took it now. Sorry, but I have to say, you can see here how first presented gap, how powerful it is. Close above, go up. Close below, go down. React from here, go down. Sorry. So we go below, we fill the midpoint of the new day opening gap, going always to regular trading hours. We don't take the low, so I'm kind of here hesitant to do anything. We kind of chop between 9:30 to like 10, just a chop. We finally take this low, okay? So there were like, even this is good trend line liquidity, like all these lows here, okay? So this is actually nice, okay? So we take this, we take daily, this is also an hourly gap, this one here, this in green. This was a 15-minute but ended up not being useful. This was also an hourly order block, which ended up not being that useful. So I can take it off. And so yeah, we go take this hourly. We also fill almost entirely new day opening gap. We leave a part open, which is a good indication if you want to go up. The bodies almost respect the midpoint of the hourly. And we start displacing. You can see here during the choppiness, we reacted many times on the first presented gap. So first presented gap was 9:36 candle, 9:37 candle, 1, 2, 3 times with big wicks. And I was like, okay, once we can close above and we can target these highs, ES is very strong, so maybe once ES take the highs, we can take it off. So this was actually a short trade. I should have taken also with the PAs, thinking about it, because yes, price was not that great, but still we had nice movement. Here we touch an hourly, we rebalance for an hourly gap, and we close above this first presented gap that was holding back price for like 20 minutes. So even though it was not that big, or like 20 points, 23, always put a little below. So even though it was a little below, I would put it like here, okay, 22 points. So even though, again, it's not that big of a win, okay, 22 points is not much for the risk. I mean, it's still a 1 to 2, okay? So I actually took it with the Eval, eventually passed, but that got me almost to pass it. So like 2.7. And so I was like, oh, I still have to pass it, and the other I did already 1.7. I didn't want, and I wanted to use them tomorrow. So I was like, okay, let me just play on this one. So we took the high and then we displaced again. We rebalance one time a year, and then the other trade that was nice was this one here. This one I took a BE. So this trade here is, we go back to the entry, we wick 3 times, good wick, and then we have a good displacement candle. That's actually a very good trade. Yeah, usually 9 times out of 10, and I was very convinced we could go and target this the tip of the new day opening gap. But yeah, I mean, as soon as we entered here, we had this big move down. We inverse this 1 minute gap here, and usually after you inverse, this is invalidated entry. What did I do? I just, after we made this candle, I saw that we had the wick, so I just put my stop at the wick. If we go back to it, okay, it's fine, still an Eval. If not, okay. So then price went up, created this candle here. I was like, okay, price is really weird. After this candle, I put stop at BE, and then got eventually boom here. We still wouldn't have gotten stopped, but still our TP was here, even though we came back few times. But look at this chop. This is horrible. Okay, this is definitely horrible. You should not definitely take any of this. So I put BE there, which is fine. So 1 win and 1 BE. And then also what happened, I think after again wicking 3 times, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 times here, I also decided to enter on a displacement candle here, just to make those 300 quick bucks here, there. So I passed the challenge. It's not, of course, a trade I will take on PA. But yeah, still today those were the trades that would have been nice. We're just moving a little bit weirdly, I think, because there are a lot of expectation on the market. There is PPI was a good print, let's say, for inflation, so it came lower than expected. And so markets are now kind of saying, okay, we kind of know that we're gonna get the rate cuts. We kind of just wanna know also a bit more if we can cut by 50 or not. Still, if cutting makes even sense macroeconomically, but of course this is, I don't know if you want more dedicated videos on macroeconomics and everything. I also do this subject in university and everything. Also is a passion of mine, with also the money I make from trading. And so yeah, today again, after got stopped here BE, I was like, okay, that's it. We probably gonna go there, but look at this. I didn't lose anything. I saved 30 minutes of my life. It was just horrible, even though here, and not a short cook, doesn't make any sense. But yeah, I mean, first presented gaps, I mean, they hold. They're very important. This is not first presented, but it was a normal gap. So yeah, still a good day. Pass challenge, almost made up for them. And yeah, tomorrow I'll try to do the same thing, maybe a little better to pass with the CPI candle. And yeah, that's it. Again, 9 minutes, 10 minutes video, still a lot. And I'll probably, and I for sure will see you tomorrow. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.